feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Okay, we are in Grand Hyatt, Barcelona. So shower please. This is the toilet. I like this, the toilet and the shower is different, so that if you're sharing the room, you don't have to wait one person to finish the business. And here is the hand wash. So this is the TV. So I was just figuring out how to open those window curtains because there's no buttons, no string or anything. Then I was exploring, I came across a few buttons here. So for the first curtain to open is this close, and after that thin curtain there's another thick curtain. This is to open, this is to close. So let's try. Yep, I'll just open half and then I'll press the same button to stop, and then I'll open the blackout curtain. This is a thicker one. Yeah, and I'll stop at half. Okay, so we have the charging plug point, USB, and this is the reading light. Yeah, it's flexible. Yeah, it's an auto on and off. Okay, and this is to off all the lights in one button. I'll press and you can see the difference here. All the bathroom lights, the sitting lights, the hand wash lights are on. So if I just press this, yeah, the light's off. I'll on the light. Yeah, now you can see the difference, right? Example that I'll off the light. Yes. This is the bedside light. On, off. See, there's light here as well. Brighter, off, off. Not a great view. I'm on the 3rd floor, so some of my friends are in 9th, 10th, 7th floor, so yeah, they might have a better view of the city, but since I have here a few apartments, I think they're blocking the city view. Anyways, so this is the view I get. It's very calm, quiet. Since it's winter, it's chill as well. Here, even for this mini cafeteria, and the lights controls are here. General, shower lights off, corridor lights off, on, curtains. I'm not sure which curtain. Okay, so that particular curtain window you can control from here, from the entrance as well. This is you can even close and open the curtains from here. So it's just that button is lesser, but you have to press twice to open and twice to close. So that's how it works. So just in case if you're checking out and the curtain is left open, and you don't have to go back all the way to your bedside, you can just close it from here on the go, both the curtains. So yeah, it's cool.